him at all.
Turtle.
No way. Jumps.
Oh my god.
Nicole, what
He's running. He's running.
Run. No, he's not running.
Let's race. Go, go, go,
What
go.
if turtles could fly? Like, he's kind of thick under there.
You're a big boy.
It sure is.
Big Gouda.
What if he's a girl? What if he's pregnant? Oh, are you maternal?
He's too ugly to be pretty.
What if it's a girl?
Pretty to be
I think
pregnant?
she's a girl. I think Kebra died in boot camp and was transformed into a tortoise.
Oh, what's she now?
Yeah.
But Cameron's not
A
snappy.
snapping
Bitch,
tortoise?
though.
So-
Your face. Your face is.
I really think he was
Let's
gonna...
make a teepee.
Oh my god!
Wait.
Oh, get your shit!
Let's make it a house.
No! Ah! Oh my god! I need my shoes!
I'm saved by the